Hey, this is Arlene. It is March the 11th, 2020. I just parked right now, and this is my car in frequencies. So I just want to do a video on it. So I am parked on Wilton Avenue. And you can see the frequencies. Then it's also down here. So I'm on, this is Wilton, and then that's Santa Monica up by the signal there. I'm kind of curious because, I mean, you see it's passing through your hands and your legs and your throat and your organs. So it's like, what does it do to them? You know? Because this has been going on for me, I think, like for a couple of years. Well, over, I'd say 3 or 4 years. I'm still in good health, so I wonder if they come in at night, because they come in at night for me. Maybe they come in at night and they give you a physical. They bring a doctor in or something and they give you a physical. That would not surprise me at all if that happened. Oh, that's my nose. That's my eye. Let me see. It's better this way. So you can feel the frequencies like going right through you. If I'm going to get targeted and stuff, gotta make the most out of it. That got targeted a lot. My ears used to be like pure, like white. Like now you see all these veins and stuff in my ear. Does something with the veins. Because I notice when I get targeted really hard, the veins pop out. And it takes a while. And I don't mean hours, but like days or weeks for it to come back out. So that's from the frequencies coming through the lungs. So like I'm already ready to cough up. I don't think the lights really matter. So they just turned it up a little bit. I can feel it. Plus, it may not pick up on here, but I can hear it. It does dry your eyes out. That's why I always buy, I think it's Renews It or something like that. It's like little vials, and all it is just to like get your eyes moist again. I can even feel it like up, I can feel it like in my scalp. Okay, I have to go see my baby. So anyways, that's where I live. Up, where is it? That building right there. That's where I live. And we are on Santa Monica and Wilton Avenue. And these power lines do not like me. I don't know.